PAX Silica in the Philippines, a clear look at the benefits, the risks, and the big questions. Have you heard the term, PAX Silica? If not, you're not alone. It's one of the biggest economic deals the Philippines has entered in years, and yet very few Filipinos know what it actually means for their water, their land, and their future. Today, let's break it down in plain language. PAX Silica is a coalition led by the United States. It was launched in Washington in December of 2025. Its goal is simple to state, even if it's complicated in practice, to build a safer, more reliable supply chain for artificial intelligence, semiconductors, and the critical minerals needed to make them. Think of semiconductors as the tiny brains inside every smartphone, computer, and AI system. Right now, a huge share of the world's supply chain for these technologies runs through China. PAX Silica is an attempt by the US and its allies to build an alternative network, with trusted partner countries. The Philippines joined this coalition in April of 2026, becoming its 13th member. Unlike Taiwan, South Korea, or Japan, the Philippines doesn't currently manufacture advanced chips. Its value to this coalition comes from something else, the ground beneath our feet. The Philippines holds large deposits of nickel, copper, cobalt, and other critical minerals that the world needs for batteries, semiconductors, and AI hardware. The centerpiece of this partnership is a planned project in New Clark City, in Tarlac, part of what's called the Luzon Economic Corridor. We're talking about a 4,000-acre zone, roughly 1,600 hectares, that would host three things: mineral processing plants, semiconductor packaging and testing facilities, and large-scale AI data centers. Let's start with the upside, because there is a real case for this project. First, economic upgrading. For decades, the Philippines has mostly done low-margin work in electronics, simple assembly and testing. This project promises to move the country into higher-value work, like semiconductor packaging, engineering, and eventually research and development. Second, investment and jobs. Officials, including the finance secretary, have described this as a potentially, quote, generational project, expecting billions of dollars in foreign investment and tens of thousands of jobs, many of them specialized and technical. Third, keeping more value at home. Right now, when the Philippines mines nickel or copper, it mostly ships out raw, unprocessed ore. Under this plan, some of that processing would happen domestically, which means more of the economic value stays in the country instead of going overseas. Fourth, a seat at the table.